The 10A starts right now.
This is what I'm talking about, a soul food extravaganza to start off the Good Day at 10A show. So this is Lori. She is from Caliban.
Alabama.
I'll let you figure out how to put that together. So, Lori, good to see you. So what do we have here?
We've got some collard greens.
Yeah, I know that.
We've got some fried chicken, some biscuits.
Yeah. Don't wait, Lori, don't ignore this.
Well, that's the sweet potato pie.
Okay, all right. I just have to make sure we got that in, okay?
And a lot more. We've got some.
Okay.
We've got some peach cobbler over there. We've got some macaroni and cheese in the oven. So
you know what? I think I should just stay over here for the next hour and
come on.
That's me. You and I should just hang out over here. Maybe I'll learn something. No, I'm gonna let you do your thing. We're gonna talk about the soul food extravagance. I think that just went off, so I'm gonna let you keep doing your thing. What macaroni?
Yes.
I don't want to leave, Lori, but I have to. I have to go. I'll come back though.
Okay.
I'll come back. I promise I'll come back.
I'll be waiting.
So we're gonna talk all about it. You're gonna explain what Caliban is all about. All right. I'm gonna go over here and say hi to my friends and say welcome to Good Day, DC. Black History Month is coming to an end, so this morning we're celebrating with a soul food extravaganza. Chef Lorious joins us live in the Good Day Cafe a little bit later. 10:46 is the time. Our next guest says that her grandmother inspired her love of cooking, and she's bringing that love to our kitchen. Lori Rogers, better known as Chef Lorious, calls her culinary style Caliban cooking, a mix of classic and contemporary comfort food. It combines where she was born and raised in California with her family's southern roots in Mobile, Alabama. And this morning, she's here to help us close out Black History Month with a soul food extravaganza. Good morning to you.
Good morning.
Welcome to the show again.
Thank you.
All right, so let's just get right to it. All right. We'll talk about Caliban in just a minute, but we got to talk about what's on this table.
So this is inspired by the Sunday dinner, which is, I mean, the heart of soul food, right?
Yes, absolutely.
So you've got your fried chicken.
Yep.
You got to have some macaroni and cheese.
Okay.
Some collard greens. Okay. And then we've also got some fresh cornbread, some biscuits, some peach cobbler, sweet potato pie.
Yeah.
And the wine of the South.
Okay.
Sweet tea.
Yeah,
there you go.
Okay. All right. I see what it is. Yeah, absolutely. So look, and you're about to do a little something right here. What is this? This is different.
This is the contemporary portion of what I do, right?
All
So
right.
this is what I call the soul food slider.
Okay.
So what we have here is some fried chicken thighs. You're
Yes,
going to take chicken, just the boneless, skinless.
Yes.
Get some honey and butter going.
Yeah.
Add some Hennessy to it.
As in Hennessy, Hennessy?
As in Hennessy.
Okay, all right, okay.
Bring that to a nice boil.
Ooh, I can
and then you can smell it. You're going to taste it too.
No, I don't know about that. I'm a non-alcohol drinker. I don't know if that's a good idea.
It'll cook out.
Okay, all right, I got you. Okay. I got some Hennessy drinkers over there in the couch. They'll help me out.
It's going to cook out. So then what you do is you take the chicken after you've cooked it, and you're going to dip it back into this butter.
Okay.
Okay, and we're going to put
butter and Hennessy.
And honey.
And honey.
Because it's got
Mixed
a nice
all
little...
together.
Yes.
Okay.
And then we take a brioche bun.
Yeah.
Okay. And then you take this chicken, put it right there on the bun.
Okay.
In that Hennessy. Okay. Then you go to it, you load it up with some mac and cheese.
Yes, and put it on top of there.
Like so.
Yeah,
Okay.
and there you go.
And some collard greens.
Yeah.
And these are cooked in smoked turkey.
Yes, for the healthy people out there.
That's the contemporary
Oh, you can
part.
put them on top.
You put it straight on there, just like so.
Wow, okay.
Okay. This is the real deal.
Okay.
Then you're going to take a little bit more of this little juice here.
Okay.
Glaze it on there like that.
Yeah.
You will be a happy man.
All right, so look. This all sounds good. Can the kids eat that with the Hennessy?
Yes, I actually let my kids eat it because...
Oh, really?
But because I boil it out. It burns out. You bring it to a really good boil, go for a couple of minutes, and this one's been going. I added some for show.
I got you.
But it's cooked down, and it's actually safe for the kids, so they haven't gotten drunk yet.
Not yet. All right. So look, let's talk about the origins of this, because we see this beautiful spread right here on the table. Let's talk about Caliban.
So I'm born and raised in California. My family is from Mobile, Alabama. Then a military base there closed. A whole bunch of people from Mobile transferred to Sacramento, California. And my family was part of that group.
And they took their southern style to California.
Everything. My husband started calling it Caliban cooking when I made him some greens.
Okay.
When we were dating, he said, "Where are you from again?"
It's like, I got to marry her. She cooks some southern greens.
Exactly. So that's where Caliban is. It's a combination of where I'm from and where I grew up.
Right. Okay. All right. So, and the recipes, they all come from your grandmother?
Yes, my grandmother.
From her cooking style down south?
Yes.
All
And
right.
she was a church mother.
Okay.
That's why I know the Sunday dinner. So it was just sitting with Grandma and saying, "What you doing, Grandma?
Right.
How do you know it's done, Grandma? Taste it, baby." You know?
Right.
So all of that created my style, which is classic and contemporary.
Okay. All right. So any other contemporary mixes over here on the table, or that you...
A little bit.
Okay, a little bit.
Okay, so now the peach cobbler.
Yeah.
Okay, now I like to cook with a little juice.
Okay.
If you know what I mean. This is a bourbon peach cobbler.
So that's two liquors. That's two liquors you're talking about. Okay, we didn't have that in my house down south.
Well,
at least they didn't put it in the food. Dad in the corner and Granddad, you know, I don't know what they were doing.
That was classic. This is the California part of me, the contemporary.
Gotcha,
you know?
okay. So you put it in there, the bourbon in there, and you cook it and...
Cook it with the bourbon. But the good part is, again, because it's in the oven, it's not that much. It's just going to give you a nice flavor underneath it for that taste. And so that's a nice little touch I like to put in it as well. Now, my sweet potato pie, this is Grandma's recipe.
All right, so no liquor in there.
You don't play with that.
Okay, don't mess with it.
You don't mess with perfection.
Okay, I got you, okay. And the sweet tea is just sweet tea.
Sweet tea
now,
made with
now,
simple
here's
syrup.
the thing. I used to live in California in a, you know, not so spectacular part of California. But we won't talk about that. We don't want to diss anybody. But when I went to California, they didn't have sweet tea.
That's because that was California. Cali. Bama.
Right. You would go through the drive-thru and say, "Can I have some sweet tea?" And the California people would be like, "What?
What is that?" Yeah.
What? We have sugar. You can make your own. It's not the same.
No.
It is not the same.
You have to sweeten it while it's hot, or it's not going to happen.
Or it's not going to happen.
Exactly.
Okay. All right. Do you put any liquor inside the tea?
Not yet. But next time I come back, I'm sure I'll come up with something.
Okay, all right, I got you. Okay. So this is just a regular macaroni and cheese.
Regular mac and cheese. I really like the classic. The thing with comfort food is, I say comfort food is whatever makes you feel comfortable.
Okay, all right.
And what makes me feel comfortable is macaroni and cheese.
Gotcha,
so I don't mess with everything, but I do have a 7-cheese truffle mac.
Wow.
That will make you really kind of call somebody.
Okay, all
That's
right.
that contemporary. That's the cool part with classic and contemporary. You can bring the two together.
Okay.
You go to my website. I'm going to hook you up.
Okay, what's the website? So tell everybody. We want everybody to get hooked up.
ChefLorious.com.
Okay.
And you heard it here. I'm going to hook you up.
Okay.
With no alcohol.
No alcohol. All right.
I'm going to try.
You said you're going to try. That's the contemporary part.
Yes, it is.
As long as it burns off, we're all good.
We're all good. Okay.
We're all good. All right. Well, thank you very much for coming in and sharing some good food with us.
Thank you for having me.
We're going to take care of this, so you won't have to take any of this back with you.
Please don't make me take it home. I'll lose my girlish figure.
We got you. We got you covered on that end, especially the alcohol part for my friends over there on the couch.
Chef Lorious, I'll hook you up with some sweet tea vodka. It exists.
My girl.
I got it at home. I got it. All right.
I didn't do it, Wisdom.
I understand.
It wasn't me.
I understand.
Blame it on
I
me.
understand.
Bad influence. All right. Thank you. Thank you both. Too much fun.
This is beautiful.
Tucker, come on over. We only thank you, Lori, for doing this for us.
Yes.
This is your sweet tea.
It is sweet. And we want to say sweet happy birthdays to Brittany Sweet. She's 26 today. And she is a loyal viewer. And we want to make sure we gave her a shout out. Celebrate big, Brittany. Celebrate big.
Right.
Well, I just filled my mug of sweet tea. I'm about to finish this off and fill it up with mac and cheese.
Oh, okay. Well, that's
I
cool.
run over some chicken.
We can do that. We can do that too. Hey, I want to give a shout out to my buddy in Portland, Oregon, who's watching, Leroy Grant. He's watching live in Portland, Oregon right now.
Leroy's
I wanted to talk too, but I guess I won't.